Hey guys, it's Dionysus. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be opening up what I got myself for Christmas, and I'm so excited for it. It's not really my first real designer bag, but like this is, I guess, more than like what I usually get. So this is like a real, like, how do you explain? It's like a real special gift that I gifted myself for Christmas. So hope you guys enjoy me doing the unbox for it. I'm so excited for this to come. I've been like tracking it since it says that it's shipped. I need to buy myself a box cutter because I'm always using scissors. I think that's a little ratchet. Well, at least for like videos, I feel like it's a little ratchet. Okay. Put the scissors right there. Oh my god. Okay, so I got myself Gucci. So I'm so glad I got the holiday bag while I still have it. Look at this freaking bag. It's so beautiful. I think it's like their winter collection bag. I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god. So yes, I got myself Gucci. I'm gonna cry, guys. Like, my heart's like boop, 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 boop. I'm so excited to open this and show y'all what I got. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I have my lipstick sticking on my lips. Okay. So, receipt. Yeah. It's in a little dust bag. No, I didn't get a belt. I didn't want a belt. I think, I'm not even gonna say what I think about belts, but oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, they even have like little, you know, like those little bags. It says Gucci. It's so cute. Okay, back to what I was doing. So here's the dust bag. Oh my god, it's so small. Oh my god, it's here. So yes, I got myself a Gucci purse. I'm so, oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. Look at this chain, girl. Yes, let's see. Put that back on. Oh my god. This is like so cute, guys. I'm so ready to wear this. I think I want to wear this for my birthday, January 26th. Aquarius gang, A. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this. I'm dropping everything. But as you can tell, it's as big as my phone. Oh my god. But this is so cute. Like, I didn't want to go all out. Okay guys, so this bag is the Gucci Dionysus Supreme Mini. And it's like the regular Gucci labeling. This is the taupe, and it's pretty small, but I mean, I love like small bags. I can put like my compact and my phone and like a wallet ID. I guess you can fit in there. I'm pretty sure that's all I can fit. This is like as big as my phone, which kind of sucks now. I feel like I won't be able to fit a lot in it, or just my phone, but I'm still so excited that I was able to get a Gucci bag. And this chain is pretty heavy, like, oh my god. I'm so ready to freaking wear this out. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I didn't really ask for gifts this year because I wanted to buy this for myself. And I'm so happy that I did because, wow. I freaking love this. Now I want to get a bigger Gucci bag. I did want a Louis bag, but I don't got that kind of money yet to just blow around. I buy my baby everything because he comes first. I love spoiling him more than me now. but I'm so glad that I bought this. One more glance. It's so cute, so small. And I'm so glad that I got the bag, the winter bag from Gucci. And this is a cute little dust bag that it goes in. Oh my god, I have my first Gucci box. Yes. As you can tell, like, I have my little collection. I have more, but it's over there. And this is my new little area for YouTube. I want to like decorate. I will buy more. I got this for Christmas from my mom. It has Cheetos. I don't know if they're showing. It's showing in the view. Look at this. It's so cute. So small, so cute. And this bag. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't believe I got this. I'm so glad I bought this. It's so cute. So freaking cute. Alright guys, so I'm about to go do some errands, probably go use the gift cards that I got for Christmas, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna come back and do a what I got for Christmas video, and so that'll be up next. Thanks for watching. Bye.